Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install the latest version of Pycharm in your PC. So let's start the video. So first you have to open the Google Chrome, then type here Pycharm download. Click on this first link. Okay, so there you can see the Pycharm professional version is showing and this is the free 30-day trial. So after 30 day it will expire and you have to pay for using this. Okay. So I don't need this. I need the free version. So just go down and here you can see the Pycharm Community Edition. Okay. It is free of cost. So download this. So the downloading has been started. So it is showing 403 MB. So just wait for that. Installer has been downloaded. So let's open it. Just click on this file. Okay, the setup box has been opened. Just click on the next. Here the path is program files. So if you want to change the path, then you can change. But I will recommend to keep this as same. Click on next. Okay, look this carefully. So here I am just selecting this Pycharm Community Edition and add open folder as project. Okay, just select these two options and click on the next. Install. So the Pycharm is getting installed. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Now click on the finish button. Okay, you can see the Pycharm Community Edition icon is created in my desktop. So double click on this. Here you can see the terms and conditions. So just click on the checkbox and continue. Don't send. Okay, so this is the interface of Pycharm, and if you want to create a new project, then just click on this new project button. Okay, so I will show you how to run your first Python program here. Okay, so just change the name of this project. Assume the name will be demo. And one thing I have to mention here that you have to install Python before installing the Pycharm in your PC, because without the Python application here you cannot work. Okay, so I have installed previously the Python. So if you want to install the Python, then I will give the link on my description box. Okay, so in the base interpreter you can see the python.exe file exists here because I have installed the Python. Okay, so if you don't have this, then make sure that you have to install Python in your PC first, then you have to install Pycharm in your computer. Okay, so just create here. Here you can see the demo project has been created and one .py file already opened here. So here I will write the code. Okay, so let me write print hello world. See, This is showing the output. So if you want to change this hello world to any other text, then just check that. This is my run it from here. Just click on this button. Okay, see, this is my Python. Okay, this is showing the output. Thank you for watching.